Are you looking for a really versatile pan that can feed either a few or a crowd? I'm Megan with WTI, and this 12-inch pan from Kordisen definitely fills that need for me. I use several different methods when I'm cooking my food, and I found that this pan works for most, if not all of them. It heats up really well, and it cooks all of my food perfectly. It's really convenient for preparing food for just me and my husband, but it also has ample space in it so that I can prepare larger meals if I want to. I've found it to be very durable and of great quality. It can even go inside the oven at lower temperatures, and this is great for giving that finishing touch to one-pan meals. I think that it has a beautiful design. I really love the wood grain look of the handles, and they're also really comfortable to hold and they don't get too hot. I really love an easy cleanup situation, so I find this pan to be extremely non-stick. It takes very little effort to clean it. I found this pan to be an excellent all-purpose cooking partner, and it's super easy to maintain. But that's just my point of view.